Hey YouTube, welcome to another tutorial. So today we are going to talk about how you can make a YouTube video at a low budget. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel before starting the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe now. So let's start with the video. So actually, by making YouTube videos actually, there are two options that you can take. The first one is you can make the video with your own face, and the second option is you can make your videos without your face. So what do you mean by that? Actually, with face is something like you record yourself with the camera and you show the expressions and you show your users to how you can work with the tutorial. So the second thing is without the face. You can just display your display of your PC or your Android phone or iPhone. Then you just display your display and you talk in the background. But there are two different things in this between, which is if you are using with the face, you can express the users, you can entertain the users, the viewers in your YouTube channel. But without the face, it's like just listening someone which is explained about the content. So I mostly recommend to use the with face because you can attract the users to subscribe to your YouTube channel and more attract to your videos to watch your videos more frequent. So let's talk first with the face tools. So actually normally I make videos with the face, as you can see this video. So actually I want to entertain my viewers to and make sure you understand perfectly the content that I'm talking every single YouTube video. So there are several tools that I'm using. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the camera position, which is you have to select a better camera position to record your video. As I'm choosing background of my PC, then the background of my PC and some keyboards and mouse. If you are related with the technology side, so the best background is with a PC background. So maybe you are using like your channel is like a cooking system or maybe like an environmental system, then it's better if you are a cooker or something related, then it's better if you record your video behind a kitchen. So it's like environmental, or if you are like a psychologist, it's better if you record your video in an environment open place, which is better a garden or any other place open. So it depends on your video content. If you have decided the best place to record your video. So mostly I record my video in my room. So if you record your video in the room, make sure you choose the best angle to record. What do you mean by best angle? Best angle is you have to select the best position of your camera position. Maybe the lights are the better things because the lights occurs every portion of the video. If your lights are bad, your video will be also bad. So make sure your lights are okay as perfect. So if you don't have lights, there are tutorials to how you can make your own lights at a low budget. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can get it and watch it and make lights at a low budget. So the second thing that I'm going to talk about the camera. So if you don't have a camera, if you have a camera, then it's good, it's fine. But if you don't have the camera, what you can do? So what I'm doing is I don't have a camera. So what I'm doing is I'm using my phone. So I'm recording my videos with my phone. Then later on I will buy a better camera and then I will record with the camera. So why I recording with the phone? Actually the phone has a better camera in mind because I'm using a Xiaomi Note 9 which has a camera pixel of 48. So actually I have to tell something regarding the phone. If you are recording with the phone, make sure you use a different app that I suggest to you, because the default camera of your phone, it's not enough quality to record your videos as much as your lights want as better quality. You can see my quality videos, everything I'm not using with the default camera, I'm using a separate third-party camera, open source camera. So this app name is which is available on Play Store is named as Open Camera, which is an open source camera source. So it is available on Play Store. You can download it for free. So as you can see, you can just adjust your colors in your phone. Then you can switch off the lights, switch on the lights. You can adjust the lights. So it's a better thing of the app. So I can, as a preview, you can see that now what happens then when you increase the lights, what happens, right? So there's a better things in this app. There are better features on this app. So make sure you download this app. I most frequently use this app to record my YouTube videos as the video quality is best. So but if you're using a camera, make sure you adjust the lights. which is IOS of the camera, because the lights are the most important on a video. They change your quality of the video. So after you done with the recordings and done with the recordings, so let's move with the without face option. So if you are a YouTuber with recording YouTube videos, showing the YouTube videos without a face, then there are several tools that I'm suggesting you to use. So if you're not using without a face, then you probably are using a PC. So if you're using a PC, the better tool to use is OBS. 3 words, OBS. I will drop the link in the description below so you can download it, and it's totally free. OBS is a software that you can record your audio video at the same time. Most of the gamers, they use OBS to stream their games. So I'm recommending this software because it's free, the first one, and it's super easy to use. So if you're using a phone, then the better one is Mobizen to record your screen. Mobizen is a software that you can screen record with a better quality. So I will drop the link of the app in the description below, and make sure it's paid. I will drop the cracked version so you can get it for free. I have recently made a YouTube video regarding the features of Mobizen. Make sure you follow this card so you can get more ideas, you can deeply understand what is Mobizen is. So after you recorded with the face or without the face, after recording you have to get the video and you have to edit. So what are the tools that you use? Make sure you let me know in the comment section what the tools you use. So what I'm using is 2 tools. If you edit, if you don't have a PC, then the better one is your phone. So the tool that I'm using with the phone to edit my videos is Kinemaster. It's the best tool that I ever experienced to use. I will drop the link in the description below so you can download it and get it for free. Actually, it's paid. I will give you the correct version which is unlocked every single premium feature. So if you are using a PC, the better tool is Movavi video editor. Actually, that one also is paid, but I will provide you the correct version so you can download it and get it for free, and you can unlock every single premium feature. So what is the best tool among the PC? Actually, what I experienced, if you have a low budget PC, if you have less RAM, less graphic card, the better tool is Movavi video editor. If you're comparing Premiere and After Effects, those are the best tools. But if you're a beginner and you want to edit best videos at a better quality, so the best solution is Movavi video editor. Actually, the current video editor I'm using is Movavi because it's good and it's totally free and it's totally very easy, and it's super easy actually. You can edit as you watch 2 to 3 tutorials regarding Movavi, then done. So after you have done everything, after you release the final version of your video, the third thing you have to do is the thumbnail. You have to create a better thumbnail to attract your viewers to your YouTube channel. Normally what I do is I create my thumbnail with my Android phone, which I'm using 2 tools. One is Thumbnail Maker and the second one is Logopit Plus. I'm making my thumbnail, example, if I'm making a YouTube video like how to earn money at 10 minutes, then I will put the title with a big text, I put my image, then I will put a better background and then export it. So the choice is with you. You have to select the content that you want. So I'm making the thumbnail with the Thumbnail Maker. I'll drop the app link in the description below so you can get it and edit it for free. Then what I'm doing, I'm exporting as 720 because Thumbnail Maker is exporting as 720 pixel, so it will be like a smaller image of the YouTube. Then I'm rearranging it on Logopit Plus to make as 1080 the best quality of a thumbnail. So then I am exporting with the Logopit. So both are premium. So I will both put the track version so you can get it and you can unlock the premium features at any time. So at the final version of the final version of the thumbnail, what I'm going to do is I'm exporting from the Logopit, then I'm uploading to the YouTube video. So that's it. So before I end the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then make sure you comment on the comment section. Please tell me what is the best way you are choosing to make your YouTube videos, with the face or without the face. So make sure you let me know in the comment section so I will frequently know. And Make sure if you have any problem regarding your IT field, any problem regarding YouTube, any problem regarding Sketchua or how to make a website, how any kind of problems that you know of technology, let me know in the comment section. I will explain and I will solve the solution. Maybe my next video will be a problem of yours with the solution. So hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbnail. So see you later.